Hi, boys and girls. So let's start another video. So let's start our learning for today. So I'm asking boys and girls to get out the packet that you just got, and it has a house on the front cover that looks like this. Okay, so let's scroll down. We're going to keep scrolling. And I get a page that looks like this. The circus, it has a little bear, its crown, aw, sad face, clown, happy face. Okay, so it says directions, read the passage and answer the questions. Now, up here we have OW. So remember, OW can sometimes make that ow sound. So let's read. First, need my markers. And here we go. The circus. The ooh, there's that sneaky E there. Ooh, the H is going to talk and the W is going to be quiet this time for that digraph. Whole town is at the circus. What a crowd. What a crowd. First come the clowns. Clowns. The crowd. Owls. Howls with laughter. So first come the clowns, the crowd, owls with laughter. Now comes a brown bear. He has a little crown. He has a little crown. The bear prowls back and or the crowd frowns. The crowd frowns. The bear growls. Growls at the crowd. The crowd owls. Last, this is a very tough one, acrobats. The acrobats hanged own the crowds frowns turn upside down. The this OW is making a long O sound. He's not making the ow sound. Ends and the clowns, brown bear, and acrobats take a bow. Awesome. I did one time through, so now I can clear and I can do another time through. The circus. The circus. The whole town is at the circus. Circus. What a crowd. First come the clowns, the crowd, owls with laughter. Now comes a brown bear. He has a little crown. The bear prowls back and or the crowd frowns. The bear growls at the crowd. The crowd scowls. Last, the acrobats hang down. The crowds, frowns, turn upside down. The show ends and the clowns, brown bear, and acrobats take a bow. Now I read it 2 times. I can clear and I can read it again. The circus. The whole town is at the circus. What a crowd! First come the clowns. The crowd howls with laughter. They laugh a lot. They howl means that really deep belly laugh when something's really funny and you're like, and then you're just laughing and laughing. So it feels like it's just coming right down deep from your belly. Now comes a brown bear. He has a little crown. The bear prowls back and forth. The crowd frowns. The bear growls at the crowd. The crowd scowls. Now, the bear growls at the crowd, and then the crowd scowls, means that they give a really mean face. Scowling. But first, the crowd was frowning. So that's a face you give when you're upset, when you're sad. Last, the acrobats hang down. These are the people who would be way up in the high in the sky, or high in the the top of the near the roof, and they would hang upside down, maybe on wires. Like sometimes they walk on the wires without just hanging onto like a pole, and they show you how they can walk across. The crowd's frowns turn upside down. So if they were frowning like this, but then they turned upside down, what are they doing now? Smiling. The show ends and the clowns, brown bear, and acrobats take a bow. Awesome. Who goes to the circus? The whole town is at the circus. So I am going to type this because it is just a little bit easier for me. So I get to use that same sentence. Oops, try again. Okay. Can't seem to move it here. Oh, select is what I want. There we go. Okay, so now we get to move on. What comes first at the circus? So let's go back into our text. First come the clowns. So what I will be doing, first come the clowns. If you need help, you can always look back here into the story. First come the clowns. Okay, next. Who takes a bow at the end of the show? Let's look back into our story. The show ends and the clowns, brown bear, and acrobats take a bow. So we have the clowns, brown bear, and the acrobats are taking the bow. So I can scroll down. Who takes a bow at the end of the show? The clown, comma, oops, brown bear, comma, and acrobats take a bow at the end of the show. Period. Awesome. I'll give boys and girls a second. I know this is a long one. Don't forget your commas though between each thing. Okay, clear. Awesome. Directions. Color the rods and the cubes to show each number. Well, let's look at our number that we have first. Now we have this 2, but he is in a tens place. So this doesn't tell me that I have 2, and I have 2 groups of 10. Now the other number is a 6. So this just tells me I have those 6 pieces on a 10 frame. They're trying to make another 10 frame, but they're not there yet. So I have 3 10 frames. I have one that has a whole set of 10. I have another that has a whole set of 10. And then I have the last one that has a 6. So I need to color 2 10s. If I color this one, there's 10. If I color this one, there's 10 in this one too, but if I do 10 plus 10, I get 20, and that's what I need right here, 20. Well, now I have the number 6, so I need 6 of these pieces to go on a 10 frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Awesome. And now I can count 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. This next number, this 3, it does not mean an actual 3. It means you have 3 groups of 10. It means you have 3 10 frames that are all filled up. So I get to color 10. Here's another 10. And here's another 10. Now, notice how I have 3 of these that are colored. That's because I have 3 of these 10s. The other number is an 8. That means I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I get to count now. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. And that's my number over here. Okay, the 6, it does not mean you just have plain old 6. It's in the tens position. This means you have 6 10s. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them. That's what this means. There are 6 of these, and every single one of them, there are 10 blocks. So as I count, I can go 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Now, this number 4 means I have 4 over here. 1, 2, 3, 4. They're trying to make another 10 frame, but they haven't gotten there yet. Okay, this 8. This 8 means that I have 8 10 frames. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now I can count 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. But I have a number here in the ones place. I have another number 8. These two numbers are different. Yes, they look like the same number, but they mean something different. This means 80, and this means 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I can count again. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88. Awesome. I'll give you boys and girls a second to catch up. Mm. And I will scroll down. Okay. Our first number, oops. This means I have 1 10. So I have 10. Next number is a 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I can count 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. My next number is a 7. So that means I have 7 of these blocks of 10s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of these. But now when I count, I have to count by 10s because in each one of these towers, there are 10 blocks. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. And how many extras do I have? 3. 1, 2, 3. These are on a different 10 frame trying to make a 10 frame. So now I can count again. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 71, 72, 73. Awesome. Now, it looks like I have 2 5s, but they mean something different. The first one is in the tens position. So this means I have 5 of these 10s. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. And then this number 5 means that I have 5 of these blocks trying to make one of these 10 frames. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I can count. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. Awesome. My next one, it looks like I have 2 9s, but they mean something different. This one right here is in the tens position. So this means I have 9 of these towers, and inside of every one of these towers are 10 blocks. So I have 10, I will go count. We'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Awesome. But now I can count by 10s. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. This other 9 means that I have these guys in the ones position. They are trying to make another 10 frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now, if there is one more block right here, that would be 10. So then we would stack them all together and move them over into this position. So this is almost a whole nother tower. Not quite though. Let's count. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99. Awesome. Now this 4 means that you have 4 10 frames. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this 2 means that you have 2 over here. 1, 2. Let's count. 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42. Awesome. I'll give boys and girls a second. Catch up. Okay, I'm gonna clear and scroll down. Our fractions. Okay, so let's work on this one right here. Now remember, the top number is going to tell us how many pieces we're going to color, but the bottom number tells us how many pieces there are. It tells us how many choices we have. So we have to find a shape that has 4 pieces. Then we have to color 3 of them. Are you ready? Ooh, will this one work? Let's check to make sure it has everything we need. Does it have 4 pieces? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. And now, can we color 3 of them? Yes. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Awesome. Let's move on to the next one. Okay, let's check. We have to color 2 pieces, but there has to be 4 of them for us to choose from. So it has to have 4 pieces to it. Will this one work? No, because it does not have 4 pieces. Will this one work? No, it doesn't have those 4 pieces that we need. Will this one work? Yes, it has the 4 pieces that we need. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now they're telling us you have to color 2 of them. 1. Oops. Stay in the lines. And then 2. So let's check. It had the 4 pieces that we needed. And then did we color 2 of them? We did. Let's move on. So for this one, they want us to color 4 pieces, but we have to have exactly 4 pieces. Oh, they want us to color 4 pieces and it has to have 4 pieces. Well, let's check. Will this one work? Nope, it doesn't have the 4 pieces we need. Will this one work? Nope, it doesn't have the 4 pieces. Will this one work? Oh, it has 4 pieces. That's the way I need for the bottom number. Now the top number is telling me, Mrs. Ellsworth, this is how many you need to color. So how many do we need to color? 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Awesome. I'm just going to color it a little bit more neatly, please. Trying to stay in these lines. All right, so let's check. Did we get the job done? First, were there 4 pieces? Yes, we got 4 pieces. Now, let's go back to the top. Did we color 4 pieces? Yes, we're awesome. Okay, we have this one. Now, it says, Mrs. Ellsworth, you're going to color 2 pieces, but you need to make sure there are only 2 pieces in the shape. So we need to look for a shape that has exactly 2 pieces to it. Will this one work? Huh. Does it have exactly two pieces? Yes. Can we color two pieces? Yes. Awesome. Let's check. Did we get our job done? Were there exactly two pieces? Yes. Did we color two pieces? Yes. Okay, now we are going to color one piece. But how many pieces are there? There needs to be exactly four of them. So we are looking for a shape that has exactly four pieces. Let's check. Will this one work? Nope, it doesn't have exactly four pieces. Will this one work? Nope, it does not have the four pieces we need. Will this one work? Nope, it doesn't have those four pieces that we need. Will this one work? It has the four pieces that we need. Now, can I color one of them? Yeah, I'm going to pick this one. You actually can pick any one of these boxes you want. Okay, let's check. Did we get our job done? Were there four pieces? Yes. Did we color one of them? Yes. Okay, now let's check to see what we have to do here. Is there one piece that we can color, but the shape has to have exactly two pieces for us? It has to have exactly two. It can't be three, it can't be four, it can't be five, it can't be 1,000. It has to have just two. Will this one work? Let's check. Are there two? Excuse me. Ooh. Are there exactly two pieces? One, two. Can I color one of them? Yes. I'm going to color the one on the bottom. You can color the one on the top if you want to. Okay, so let's check. Did we do our job? Did we color one piece? Yes. But were there two pieces that we could have chosen from? Yes. I'll give boys and girls a second to catch up. And clear. Okay. Synonyms and antonyms. Now, this is something that we did not get a chance to do. It was coming up in our phonics work, but we did not get a chance to do it. So, synonyms are going to be orange. I know these are great big words we'll talk about just in a second. I just want to get the colors down for a second. And antonyms are going to be yellow. Okay. Synonyms. This great big word right here. Sounds like cinnamon, doesn't it? Something you would put in food to make it taste good, maybe around Christmas time. Synonyms. Synonyms. Kind of a funny word to say, isn't it? Now, I want you to look at this S right here. And then I want you to look at this S right here. I'm going to make a new word. Sneaky E makes the A say his long sound. Same. So synonyms are two words that mean pretty much the same thing. Okay. Cold, freezing. Pretty much the same thing. Hot, burning. Pretty much the same thing. So synonyms are two words that mean pretty much the same thing. Antonyms, ooh, big word. Antonyms are two words that mean something different. They are not the same. They are different. So we need to figure out the two words that are going to be in these black letters, these really dark black letters, okay, bold face. Are they this pretty much the same, or do they mean completely different things? So we will gather, so here's one word, gather twigs and collect sticks. Now, we're going to go gather the twigs, so we're going to get them, and we're going to collect some sticks. Gather and collect mean this pretty much the same thing. So they are synonyms. So they are going to be orange. Oops. So what I'm going to do, instead of doing antonyms in yellow, if we were doing this paper at school, you'd be able to see the colors a little bit better. But seeing how I'm doing it on my computer, you can't really see the differences between antonyms. And so I'm going to change it to, we're going to do antonyms in blue instead. Okay, instead of the yellow. So these gather and collect are synonyms because they mean pretty much the same thing. Don't waste the food. So waste is a word that we're talking about because that has the dark black letters. Save it for later. So don't waste it, don't throw it away, because we're going to save it. Waste and save are different. Waste means to throw it away. Save means to maybe put it into the fridge. So waste and save are antonyms. Those are two words that mean something different. There is a right and a wrong way to make a fire. So the words we're looking at are right and wrong because they have that dark black bold face print. There is a right and a wrong way to make a fire. So right and wrong are antonyms. Antonyms. These are two words that mean something different. Either you're going to do it the right way, or the other choice would be the wrong way. Two different words. They mean something different. And clear? The hot dogs, I have a marker here. The hot dogs cook fast, so hurry and get the buns. Fast and hurry. They mean pretty much the same thing. So we're going to have, synonyms. Two words that mean pretty much the same thing. Jen is a little scared, but Dan feels brave. So scared and brave, they mean two different things. So we're going to have antonyms. Antonyms. If you're scared, then you're probably not going to feel very brave that you can go do something. We must be sure that camp is left clean and tidy. Clean and tidy mean pretty much the same thing. I'm guessing that maybe somebody at home has told you to tidy up your room. They mean for you to clean it. So these are synonyms because they mean the same. So synonyms and same both start with that S sound. Look at the fire and see if it needs more wood. So we have look and see. Synonyms because they mean pretty much the same thing. Dan feels sick and Jen is feeling ill too. So sick and ill, synonyms because they mean pretty much the same thing. Dan went to bed early, but Jen went to bed late. So early and late. These mean two different things. So early means that you're getting up early in the morning or going to bed early at night, but late means that you're going to bed a little bit later. So either you can go to bed early or you can go to bed late, but you can't do both. So these are two different words. These are meaning two different things. Jen is still hungry, but Dan is full. So hungry and full. Well, if you're hungry, then your belly is not full. These words mean two different things. These are antonyms. Antonyms. I'll give boys and girls a second to catch up. Okay. There we go. So what I would like boys and girls to do now is 10 minutes of iReady reading, 10 minutes of iReady math. I am looking at your scores on my iReady account, and you boys and girls are doing some amazing work. I see those 100s. Pretty awesome. I'm liking it. I'm loving it. It's awesome. So thank you, thank you, thank you. Also, remember that little stuffed animal that you got, your little adopt-a-pet, your new pet. So if you can have mom or dad send me a picture of what you're doing, where you're going, who you're with, and what kind of fun that you're having, okay? Because I miss you. I miss your face. I miss your smile. I miss your gorgeousness. Have fun, boys and girls. Mwah.